The water fuel cell, as shown, is only one of several types of fuel cells being developed for the marketplace. To power the dune buggy, the fuel cell performs many tasks simultaneously, produces hydrogen gas economically, adjusts the hydrogen gas burn rate to co-equal that of gasoline, produces hydrogen gas on demand, transport hydrogen gas without spark ignition. In terms of insulation, the fuel cell will replace your gas tank. Spark arrestor gas line will go from the fuel cell to hydrogen injector systems affixed to your engine. Hook up electrical wire to your car electrical system. Once completed, fill up the water fuel cell with water, start, and run your car on natural water. To accomplish this task, the water fuel cell simply exposes the water molecule to opposite electrical voltage zones while restricting amps. Once the atoms become polarized, the bond is weakened, allowing the molecule to split due to opposite polarity attraction, as shown. To increase gas production, simply increase voltage on demand. Under actual lab test certification, the electrical polarization process occurs in all natural water, including the purest form of distilled water. Since the fuel cell restricts the amps, allowing voltage to take over, contaminants in natural water remains as contaminants and therefore have very little or no effect on the fuel cell during gas production. Ambient air or non-combustible gases are also liberated from natural water during the electrical polarization process. The quencher circuit acts as an anti-spark back device while the water becomes the gas mixing regulator, adjusting the hydrogen gas burn rate to co-equal that of natural gas, sustaining a flame well over 2,500 degrees. As shown, the tubular array exciters or voltage zones are immersed in natural water, forming the water fuel cell. Once energized, the gases are quickly generated on demand, releasing energy in the form of hydrogen gas that is 2.5 times more powerful than gasoline. The liberated gases are now being uniformly mixed to adjust the hydrogen gas burn rate to co-equal that of natural gas. The water acts as a gas mixing regulator since the gases are liberated by unit volume. As demonstrated, the applied voltage dictates the demand of the generator. Constant voltage allows the hydrogen gas to be generated at a constant rate, as shown. Increasing voltage simply increases gas production. Once the fuel cell meets the energy demand, switch off the voltage zones, terminating the gas process without